Huawei has officially launched its Mate 80 series in China, and two models in particular, the Mate 80 Pro Max and the Mate 80 RS Ultimate design, are grabbing attention for their powerful hardware, premium design, and dual telephoto camera setups. These phones are built for users who want top-tier performance, cutting-edge features, and a battery that can easily last through demanding days. Starting with the Mate 80 Pro Max, this phone takes what the Mate 80 Pro offers and pushes things even further. It keeps a similar design, but everything else gets an upgrade. The Pro Max features a large 6.9-inch dual-layer OLED LTPO display with a 120Hz refresh rate. What really stands out is the peak brightness, up to 8,000 nits, making it one of the brightest smartphone displays on the market. Whether you're outdoors or watching HDR content, this screen is designed to stay clear and vibrant. Powering the phone is Huawei's Kirin 930 Pro chip. It comes with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, giving users plenty of room for apps, photos, and videos. On the software side, it runs HarmonyOS 6, which brings new UI elements and several AI-powered features to make the experience smoother and smarter. But the biggest highlight of the Pro Max is the camera setup. On the back, it comes with 4 cameras, a 50-megapixel main sensor with variable aperture and optical image stabilization, a 40-megapixel ultrawide camera, a 50-megapixel macro telephoto lens with 2.1 aperture and OS, and another 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens offering 6.2x optical zoom. Huawei has also included its second-generation Red Maple imaging chipset to help improve color accuracy, detail, and overall photo processing. For selfies, the phone has a 13-megapixel front camera along with 3D depth sensing for better facial recognition. Battery life is another major selling point. The Mate 80 Pro Max packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery, and it supports 100W wired charging as well as 80W wireless charging. This combination gives users both long endurance and extremely fast power top-ups. In terms of durability and connectivity, the phone includes IP68 and IP69 ratings, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, satellite communication, and stereo speakers. There's also an infrared sensor and a USB-C 3.1 Gen 1 port. Despite its large size, the phone is 8.25 mm thick and weighs 239 grams. Color options include Aurora Blue, Polar Day Gold, Polar Region Silver, and Polar Night Black. Now let's move to the Mate 80 RS Ultimate design. This model is all about luxury and craftsmanship. While it shares almost all the same specs as the Pro Max, including the chipset, display, cameras, and battery, its design sets it apart. The RS version features a redesigned camera module and a premium rear panel that gives it a more exclusive look. It also includes a titanium mid-frame and a third-generation basalt-tempered Kunlun glass on the front for added strength and durability. One key difference is RAM. The Ultimate design model comes with 20 GB of RAM by default, making it even more suitable for heavy multitasking and performance-intensive apps. Despite the upgraded materials, it keeps the same 8.25 mm thickness, though it is slightly heavier at 249 grams. The RS version is available in hibiscus purple, jet black, and pure white. When it comes to price, the Mate 80 Pro Max starts at 7,999 yuan or about $125 for the 16GB RAM and 512GB storage model. The 1TB version costs 8,999 yuan, which is around $1,265. The Mate 80 RS Ultimate design is much more premium, starting at 11,999 yuan, or roughly $1,690 for the 20GB 512GB option, and going up to 12,999 yuan, or about $1,830 for the 20GB 1TB version. With powerful cameras, huge batteries, fast charging, and premium build quality, both the Mate 80 Pro Max and Mate 80 RS Ultimate design show how far Huawei is pushing its flagship lineup.